Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to everyone. My name is Muhammad Faris bin Hamizat. My metric number is 01JAB22F2029. Today, I will present about Takaful operator, which is Prudential BSN Takaful Berhad. Let's we go through into the backgrounds. Prudential BSN Takaful Berhad, commonly referred to as Pru BSNs, was established in 2006 through a strategic partnership between two well-established financial entities, Prudential and Bank Simpanan Nasional (BSN). Prudential PLC is a globally recognized financial service group with operation spanning over 40 countries, bringing vast international expertise and experience in the insurance industry. BSN, on the other hand, is a respected Malaysia community bank deeply rooted in the local population and widely trusted for its service to the rakyat. This joint venture was more than just a business collaboration. It was a function of a global insurance know-how and local market understanding. As a result, BSN was strategically positioned to become one of Malaysia's leading family takaful provider. The partnership allowed two companies to cater to the unique financial and protection needs of Malaysian families, while remaining fully compliant with Sharia principle. BSN established market a pivotal movement in the local takaful landscape by enhancing accessibility, trust, and product innovation tailored to both Muslim and non-Muslim communities. Now we go to the case study. The case study presented in the material focus on Mr. Skim, a potential takaful participant in need of comprehensive protection and financial planning. Okay, let's look to the picture. Mr. Kim is a 20 years old and has a monthly income of RM 3,800 per month and will retire at the age of 55. Mr. Kim's expenses are as follows: housing loan 0, educational expense 500, utility RM 150, groceries RM 250, car loan RM 450, personal loan RM 300, money saving RM 300, others RM 500. Total RM 2,450 ringgit for the 1 month. Mr. Kim is married and has a 2 years old child and live with her family. At the same time, Mr. Kim is pursuing a master's degree at the University of Malaya in law. She does not have any medical card, but she has a personal accident (PA) protection from an insurance company. She is interested in established income protection funds. Now, let's go through into the agent of takaful. The agent involved in these presentations are Encik Muhammad Rusdan bin Abdul Aziz. He played a vital role in conducting the interview sessions, analysing client needs, and proposing suitable BSN takaful solutions. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Muhammad Faris bin Hamizat. Saya adalah salah seorang pelajar Politeknik Umar dan kawan saya Wan Daniel, salah seorang juga pelajar Politeknik Umar. Kami di sini ingin interview Encik atas kita orang punya projek iaitu under takaful subjek. Boleh Encik memperkenalkan diri Encik?
Okay, Assalamualaikum. Saya Muhammad Rusdan bin Abdul Aziz, agent Pru BSN Takaful. Saya dah join Prudential ni 6 tahun dah lah. And then sekarang ni saya sebagai aspiring unit manager lah.
Okay, letak Prudential BSN ni apa Encik? Dia apa beza dengan yang lain tu? Etika semua tu.
Okay, Prudential BSN Takaful ni company takaful lah. Insurans. Kalau ikutkan company insurans ataupun takaful dekat Malaysia ni banyak. So Prudential BSN Takaful ni salah satu company lah yang ada dekat Malaysia ni yang offer produk takaful ataupun insurans lah.
Okay, kita terus pergi ke kita orang punya projek, case study. Saya ada soalan kat sini. Saya ada soalan tentang Encik Kim. Okey, Encik Kim ni dia umur dia 28 tahun. Dia punya pendapatan dia sebulan tu 3,800. Lepas tu
Okey.
dia retire tu dia punya sara tu umur 55 tahun. So, total expenses dia, total dia belanja untuk sebulan 2,450. Lepas tu Encik Kim ni, dia ada 2 orang anak. Lepas tu dia juga adalah salah seorang pemegang master atau degree dekat Universiti Malaya. Tapi Encik Kim ni, dia tak ada apa-apa tentang, tak ada apa-apa tentang medical card lah. Tapi dia ada personal assistant. Personal accident, PA, sorry. Iaitu dia protection from insurance company lah. Lepas tu dia ni ada tertarik sikit lah tentang protection fund ni. Okey, Encik Roshan ada apa-apa tak yang Encik Roshan boleh suggestkan untuk Encik Kim ni? Dalam apa ni
Okey. Okey, based on apa ni Encik Kim punya financial, kalau ikutkan lah, saya boleh suggest lah, sebab kalau ikutkan untuk protection plan ni, biasanya kita akan suggest up to 10% of monthly income lah. Kalau ikutkan income dia 3,800, ideal untuk protection plan yang dia boleh ambil adalah 10% lah, iaitu maksimum RM380 lah. So far kalau ikutkan dia punya expenses ni, maksudnya 2,450 ni dia ada balance lagi berapa 3,800 apa?
950 lah.
Okey, lebih kurang 1,350. So dia ada buffer kat situ 1,350. So andai kata kita suggest income protection ataupun including income replacement dan maximum 350, should be tak ada masalah lah untuk dia. Kalau dia nak maximize untuk 10% of dia punya income untuk kita kata takaful lah. So kalau ikutkan dia lebih berminat kepada income protection lah. Di mana income protection ni sebagai kita kata melindungi keuangan. Biasanya plan yang kita offer ni lebih kepada pampasan. Andai kata anything happen dekat dia, contoh dia meninggal dunia sebagai contoh, ataupun dia lumpuh, tak boleh nak bekerja, ataupun sakit kritikal yang menyebabkan dia ni memang tak boleh nak bekerja, loss of income, potential untuk loss of income, kita offer income protection lah, di mana andai kata salah satu daripada 3 keadaan yang saya bagi tahu ni tadi, contohlah dia sakit kritikal ataupun lumpuh, dia akan dapat sejumlah duit. Even dia tak mampu nak bekerja, tak ada income, Prudential akan bagi duit lah dekat dia, pampasan lamsam tu. Sekurang-kurangnya pampasan ni boleh membantu dia lah untuk kelangsungan hidup dia dan membayar komitmen sedia ada tu. Andai kata dia meninggal dunia pula, Prudential akan bayar pampasan tu kepada penama hibah lah. Di mana dekat sini family dia ada jaminan keuangan lah. At least andai kata miskin miskin ni meninggal dunia, secara tidak langsung memang income dia tu memang dah tak ada dah. Tapi if dia ada income protection dengan Prudential akan bagi pampasan, sekurang-kurangnya family dia ni boleh survive lah. Boleh bayar komitmen, boleh bayar hutang dia, boleh kelangsungan hidup, and then anda kata family dia, anak dia sedang belajar, tak mengganggulah dia punya pelajaran tu sebab ada income kan. So kalau ikutkan untuk umur miskin ni dalam 28 tahun kan, boleh dapatlah, kalau ikutkan kita punya rule of thumb, kita akan suggest 10 years of income, annually income. Mana kata kalau monthly dia 3,800, so saya kira kat sini 10% lah, 3,800 kan, darab 12. So annual income dia dalam 48,600. So kalau ideal punya pampasan yang should be dia ada adalah 10 years lah, 10 years of dia punya annual income dalam 456,000 lah. Itu untuk kematian dan lumpuh. Dan untuk sakit kritikal biasanya kita akan advise 5 years punya annual income lah. Sebenarnya 10 dengan 5 years ni sebenarnya based on kita punya rule of thumb lah. Kita suggest ni pertama sekali should be okay dengan dia punya budget below 10% of dia punya monthly income. Suggested untuk kita kata apa tadi saya ada mention 10%, tak boleh melebihi 10% dia punya income lah. Yang kedua adalah at least anda katalah dia meninggal ataupun lumpuh, at least family dia ataupun dia boleh survive selama 10 tahun ke hadapan lah. So dalam tempoh 10 tahun tu at least dia boleh cari kerja lain ke, contohlah kalau dia lumpuh kan, at least dia ada duit. Dalam masa sama dia boleh kita kata build up dia punya business ke macam mana nak survive kan. Sama juga untuk sakit kritikal ni biasanya kalau sakit kritikal ni kalau boleh survive mungkin kita kata mengambil masa beberapa tahun, at least kat sini dia dah ada duit lah untuk survive tu. Macam tu. So within tak lebih lah, maksimum up to 380 lah saya akan suggest kat dia. Dan kita akan ikut juga quotation tu, kita akan bagi mengikut pertama sekali umur dia lah. Umur dia, lepas tu pekerjaan kita kena tahu dia punya kelas pekerjaan tu. Contoh guru dengan engineer lain, berbeza kelas dan berbeza harga. Lepas tu dari segi status merokok, kalau merokok lebih mahal sikit apa semua. And then last kali yang penting dia ni ada sejarah sakit ataupun warded. So faktor-faktor ni lah yang akan menentukan harga caruman bulanan dia tu macam mana. So kat sini lah saya akan tengok balik dan saya akan suggest based on dia punya kemampuan dan keperluan lah. Kemampuan tu below 10% of dia punya income. Keperluan tu macam saya bagi tahu tadi lah, kalau untuk kematian dan lumpuh 10 kali ganda, dan untuk sakit kritikal 5 kali ganda lah daripada annual income dia. Should be amount tu lah yang dia perlu ada. Itu sahaja.
Saya ada soalan sedikit. Adakah terdapat sebarang perubahan jika Encik Kim ni dia punya perlindungan polisi boleh berubah tak bila dia dah langgar tu? Contoh dia macam tiba ada sakit ke pertengahan tu, tiba sakit kritikal yang sampai Prudential tak boleh nak cover, ada ke? Boleh ni ke? Explain ke?
Okey, macam ni. Untuk soalan ni, dia bergantung. Sebab sebelum kita apply, kita ada mintalah klien untuk declare if dia ada sejarah sakit ataupun warded ke tak. So andai kata dia declare betul and then dia sakit, so should be tak ada masalah lah. Tapi andai kata dia tak declare dia ada sejarah sakit dan selepas beberapa tahun tiba-tiba dia jatuh sakit, so setengah polisi untuk medical card dia ada waiting period ataupun kita panggil contestable period lah, di mana dalam tempoh kurang daripada 2 tahun syarikat takaful ni berhak untuk siasat rekod-rekod dia sebelum claim tu diluluskan, biasanya untuk sakit kritikal lah. So contohlah kita kata dia ambil polisi, tiba-tiba dalam masa setahun dia kena sakit kanser. So kalau setahun ni mana kata kurang daripada 2 tahun lah, mana kata tak melepasi contestable period lagi. So Prudential berhak, mana-mana syarikat takaful lah sama je, Prudential berhak untuk siasat dia punya rekod. So kat sini kita sebagai ejen kita bantulah untuk uruskan rekod-rekod dekat hospital dan klinik yang dia pernah pergi sebelum ni, kita request dan kita dapat benda tu, kita hantar kepada Prudential dan Prudential dia akan finalize balik lah. So andai katalah kantoi rupa-rupanya dia ni ada sejarah rekod dah sebelum ni, ada rekod kita kata kanser tahap 1 dah lah, ataupun ada simptom-simptom yang ke arah kanser tu, should be masa tu claim dia tak diluluskan dan kemudian dia ada non-disclosure punya term lah, di mana Prudential tak cover sakit sedia ada dia tu. Itu pun boleh jadi possibility lah. Kemudian ada juga possibility di mana polisi dia tu terbatal. Disebabkan dia tak declare sejarah sakit dia tu. Sebab kalau dia declare sebelum dia apply tu, kemungkinan polisi dia tu memang tak lulus masa tu. So ada 3 possibility lah. Okay.
Saya ada last soalan. Last. Okay. Adakah terdapat sebarang penalti atau cas tambahan jika Encik Kim ingin mengaktifkan semula polisi yang telah tamat? Expired lah.
Expired maknanya lapse ataupun dah matured. Boleh saya tahu tak? Ada 2 perbezaan tu.
Matured lah.
Matured maksudnya okay. Kalau matured, contohlah dia apply untuk dalam tempoh 20 tahun coverage. Tiba-tiba tahun ke-20 dia kata saya nak extend dia punya coverage. Contohlah kan. Yang ni kita kena tengok kepada polisi lah. Ada setengah polisi tak boleh nak extend. Ada setengah polisi boleh extend. Mana kata guarantee extend lah. Contoh habis coverage, kita boleh extend. Setengah polisi ada. Kalau polisi tu tak ada term kita kata benefit untuk guarantee extend, memang tak boleh lah. So dia tak perlu bayar apa-apa. Tapi anda kata kalau dia nak extend pada masa tu, kita akan ada revision punya harga lah. Prudential akan revise punya quotation balik, akan bagikan quotation balik dekat dia lah. Itu kalau soalan ni berkaitan dengan extend coverage bila dah expired, maksudnya bila dah mature. Satu lagi, contoh kalau soalan tanya kalau polisi tu dah lapse, kan? Lapse ni maksudnya dia tak bayar beberapa bulan, tiba-tiba polisi dia dah lapse dah. Tamat tempoh lah. Tak ada coverage. Andai kata dia nak hidupkan balik, aktifkan balik polisi tu macam mana? So yang ni, untuk kes yang ni, dia perlu bayar. Dia mengikut polisi juga. Ada setengah polisi perlu bayar 2 bulan. Ada polisi kena bayar semua tunggakan. Macam tu. Baru boleh aktifkan semula. So 2 keadaan yang berbeza lah. Sama ada lapse ataupun maturity tadilah, matured.
Itu sajalah daripada saya. Terima kasih Encik Nursyah atas perkongsian yang telah diberi kepada saya untuk projek ni.
Okey, sama-sama. Semoga membantu.
Wah, terima kasih.
Right now, let's go through into the Pure BSN Takaful plans. Pure BSN Takaful exemplifies a modern and ethical approach to financial protections grounded in Islamic principle. As a family takaful provider, its objective is not merely profit generation, but also mutual financial aid and risk sharing among participants. Pure BSN offer a wide range of flexible and Sharia compliant plans designed to cater to various aspects of life, including medical needs, family protections, critical illness, and long-term savings. Their product offering are built on transparency, affordability, and compositions, making them accessible to both Muslim and non-Muslims. Pure BSN emphasizes the importance of financial responsibility and community welfare, reinforcing the value of takaful as not just insurance, but a collective social safety net. Furthermore, their convenient payment method range from auto debit to online banking and app-based platforms, reflect their commitment to customer-centric innovations through continuous product enhancement and customer engagement. Pure BSN stands as a trustworthy leader in the Malaysian takaful industry, helping individual and family achieve peace of mind and financial resilience.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Wan Muhammad Ahmad Kamil and my matrix number is 01DIB22F2025. Now I'm going to continue with my part, and that is the estimation of the takaful contribution or premium. In this example, which is related to that case study just now, based on a discretionary monthly income of RM 1,350, a suggested contribution of RM 250 to RM 400 per month is considered manageable and sustainable. Of course, this amount depends on the level of coverage the participant wishes to receive, and the participant in this case is Miss Kim. Although the contribution can be adjusted, it is advisable to prioritize essential protection, particularly medical protection, in the early stages. As income increases over time, participants can gradually add savings components and critical illness coverage to enhance the overall Takaful plan. This approach ensures that the plan remains affordable, practical, and aligned with the client's financial capacity and protection needs. Coverage limit. The minimum coverage of Pro BSN Warisan Plus Life and Income Protection is Rm 250,000 for death or total and permanent disability, or in short form it is known as TPD. For accidental death benefits, 200% of the sum covered for accidental death, 300% if the accidental death occurs in public transportation, and 400% if the accidental death occurs outside of Malaysia, meaning that the death happened in another country. For additional benefits, Khairat benefit is given in the amount of Rm 3,000. To assist with funeral expenses, and infectious disease coverage will also be given in the amount of Rm 5,000 to Rm 10,000 upon diagnosis or hospitalization due to specific infectious diseases. Okay, now for Pro BSN Anugerah Plus. The annual coverage limits of Pro BSN Anugerah Plus Medical Card Protector Rider are for Plan 150 Rm 150,000 per year, for Plan 200 Rm 200,000 per year, for Plan 300 Rm 300,000 per year, and for Plan 400 Rm 400,000 per year. For lifetime limit, there is no lifetime limit because the coverage is subject to annual limits. For enhanced coverage options, there's Medic Booster, which increases annual limit by an additional Rm 1 million, specifically for outpatient cancer treatments and kidney dialysis. For an additional feature, there's this one thing called Smart Saver 300, which is an option to reduce contributions by sharing a fixed amount, which is Rm 300 of eligible medical expenses. Okay, moving on. Now we're gonna continue with eligibility criteria for Pro BSN Warisan Plus. There are 4 of them. The first one is entry age. The ages must be from 18 years old to 70 years old for the participant. The second one is minimum contribution. It starts from as low as Rm 100 ringgit per month, but it actually varies between the participants based on their sum covered and add-ons. The third one is medical underwriting. A basic health declaration is required and may require a medical checkup for certain participants. And the fourth one is religious requirement. It is available to Muslims and non-Muslims as it is a Sharia compliant plan. Next up, we got eligibility criteria for Pro BSN Anugerah Plus. Now for this one, there are only 3, and they are entry age, medical underwriting, and citizenship/residency. For the first one, it is entry age. The ages must be from 30 days old or 1 month old to 70 years old. The second one is medical underwriting. Requires a health questionnaire and may require medical screening if the age of the participant is 40 and above. Applying for high sum covered or existing medical conditions are disclosed. And the third one is citizenship or residency. The participant must be a Malaysian citizenship or a permanent resident in this country, Malaysia. Continuing on, now we're gonna continue with benefits of the Takaful plan. There are actually a few of them, but now in here I've listed down at least like 8 of them in 4 points. And the first point, it has a death and total permanent disability TPD coverage. With Pro BSN Anugerah Plus, daily allowance for hospital stay is also provided. The second point, it is a long-term savings for future needs, including child's education. With Pro BSN Anugerah Plus, it has cashless admission at panel hospitals only. The third point is that it has optional riders for critical illness coverage. With Pro BSN Anugerah Plus being added, it has no lifetime limit. And the fourth point is that through Pro BSN Anugerah Plus, it also covers hospital bills, room and board, ICU, and also surgeries. Okay, now last but not least, let us move on to the available payment methods provided by Prudential BSN Takaful Berhad for participants to contribute to their Takaful plans. Okay, there are actually 6 options, each designed for convenience and flexibility. The first one here is auto debit / standing instruction. This method allows automatic deduction of contribution directly from the participant's bank account. It ensures payments are made consistently without manual intervention. The second one here is credit or debit card. Contributions can be made instantly using either a credit card or a debit card. This is a common choice for participants who prefer fast and secure transactions. The third one is online banking or FPX. FPX enables participants to make payments directly from their internet banking accounts. It is supported by most banks in Malaysia and offers real-time transaction processing. The fourth one is JomPay. This is a national bill payment platform that allows participants to pay using their bank's online services. All they need is the bill code and reference number provided by Pro BSN. The fifth one here is over-the-counter payment. Participants can also choose to pay manually at authorized counters. This method may suit those who are less comfortable with digital transactions, mainly maybe for older people. And the sixth one here is Pro BSN Touch app. This mobile application offers a complete digital experience. Besides making payments, users can manage their certificates, check contribution history, and also access support features, all from using their smartphone. These diverse methods reflect Pro BSN's commitment to making Takaful participation more accessible and customer friendly for all. So that's all from me. Thank you.